good. I just flew in for the show tonight, and boy, am I on time.
Hi, I'm Thad, and this is my brother Tyler, and we're gonna tell some jokes today. Hey Tyler,
What?
do you know the difference between toilet paper and shower curtains?
Oh no, what?
So it was you!
Like that.
What?
What bones do dogs want to eat?
What?
Trombones.
Hey Tyler, don't you hear a joke about wild pigs?
Sure.
Never mind, it's too boring.
Dad,
What?
can we hear a joke about pizza?
Sure, I love pizza.
Never mind, it's too cheesy.
Hey Tyler, don't you hear a joke about sheep?
Sure.
Never mind, it's too bad.
Like that.
What?
My mom was upset because I didn't buy her flowers.
She was?
In my defense, I didn't even know she sold flowers.
Hey Tyler,
What?
how does Darth Vader like his toast?
I don't know how.
On the dark side.
Like that.
What?
Why is 5 foot better than your foot?
What?
My foot.
Hey Tyler,
What?
what's red and bad for your teeth?
I don't know what.
A bird.
Like that.
What?
What did the fisherman say to the magician?
I don't know what.
Pick a card, any card.
Tyler,
What?
so you're American when you go into the bathroom. You're American when you go out of the bathroom. What are you while you're in the bathroom?
I don't know what.
European.
Like that.
What?
What starts with F and ends with K?
I'm not allowed to say that here.
What do you mean it's fire truck?
I thought it was. Never mind. So a polar bear walks into a bar and he asks the bartender, "Can I have some ice?" That's a Coke. The bartender says, "What's with the pause? What's with the pause?" And the polar bear says, "I was born with them."
Like that.
What?
What do you call a spider with 10 eyes?
What?
A spider.
So I had a kid's meal for dinner yesterday.
You did?
His mom wasn't happy.
Like that.
What?
What do you call an old snowman?
What?
A glass of water.
Talk now.
Who's there?
Tank.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us tell some jokes